Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. Let me shut this door. Are you coming in or out, Mrs. Barker? In. Let's get warmed out. It's quite a warm day today. Before you see a circle. Yes, it's an old record, one of the old LPs, and it is, I'm just getting it to show you, I got it in the charity store for $1, and as you can see, Moods of Love, the Ray Charles Singers, that's that. And I mixed some grey and, some silver and some white together to make the background, so I kind of got a silvery sheen to it, and it doesn't look too neat and tidy at the moment, but I'm going to be pouring over that, so I just thought the silver, the metallics might come through a bit on my colours. So I have a Christmas paper cup, isn't it cute? And I have cyan blue, a little bit of black, some hot red, and some violet. And I'm just going to do a bit of a ring pour on here, and I might just start with a tad of the black. I don't want a lot of black in it, but every now and again just a little bit. Get off. And the blue with some red and some purple, mauve, lilac, whatever you want to call it, that's what that is. A tad more black, and as I said, just tads. I'll put the blue in first, I'll put the red in now. I like to mix the colours around a little bit. And some mauve, and a touch of black, and I think that might do because it's not such a big area. Right, so there's my colours, and there's my dribbles, and here we go. I put a bit of tape underneath the other side over the hole, which is where my clock workings will go. And here it is. Here's hoping I haven't got it too runny. Pretty, pretty. Let's give it a minute. There's no silicone in any of these colours, but there is Floetrol in the pouring medium, and you'll find the recipes for these colours and the pouring medium below this video under Show More. You can just have a look there, and here we go. Just running it around first up before I I've never done a record before, so this will be a record. Sorry. And I might roll this blue around a bit more, take some of this mauve off. Back to the centre. Oh yes, I'm alike, that's a nice one. And I'm not finished yet, so I'm just going to wipe my hands off. Excuse me, dog. And I'll give a stick, I think, with a point and see how it goes first. Have you got a point? Yes, you have a point. Get the point. This is just one of those bamboo skewers, point one end and flat the other. So I might just torch it. I can see a few bubbles, and I don't really want it to mess with what I'm going to be doing, so I'll just torch it yes, there was rather a lot of bubbles, and have some cell activity, which is rather nice as well. Alright, so my skewer. So first up, I'm just going to go as close and as straight as I can, and maybe the thicker side, do you think? Doesn't much matter by the look of this. Okay, so it's happening. I think I've got them all. That is really, really pretty. And now I want the black knife, because I want to just have a little black bit in there. Not that you'll probably see it, because once I put the clock pieces on, but there we go. It's there. I know it's there. How pretty. And I've still got some air bubbles, probably from skewering. Alright, so I'm going to torch it again. I don't want air bubbles on my clock. With that, that will make such a lovely clock, and it looks like a spider web with that pattern that I've made. What do you, come out whatever you are. Right, whatever it was is gone. What do you? Sneaky bubbles. Alright, so I'll bring you down to have a look at this, and I do have another one which I'm going to do with the paints that I have here, so it'll be the same colours, but I'll mix them around and have it a bit different. So I'm bringing you down. Underneath Show More too, you'll find a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than, oh, there's Mr. Sparker, hello. You're more than welcome to come and join us in Australia Art Dreaming, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Bit of fun, only a little short one, but how pretty is that? And once the clock facing and the numbers and what have you are on there, it'll be very, very pretty. And thank you very much for watching. As again, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give it the thumbs up. I do appreciate that, and it's a big help to me. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Click the little button and you'll be notified of any more videos that I put up. Until then, I'll see you in Australia Art Dreaming or the next video. Bye for now.